Chicken. Okay. PFC chicken. PFC chicken in West Brom. They food any good? You ate there already? You ate there already? They're good? All right. We're gonna check them out. Let's see what they got. Let's see what their prices is like. Okay, they got 364 wings, 1 chicken. That's good, isn't it? $3.99. 2-piece chicken and 2 wings. Yeah, so you could definitely get a meal in here for £5. Come on, let's go see what they got. What you got? Okay. I think I want a chicken thing and chips. This one a 2-piece chicken and fries? You don't want the wings? Two-piece wings and fries. Look, you get a donut meal for $4.50. I think I'm gonna get a donut meal, B. You getting chicken? I'm gonna get a donut meal.
Next, please.
And we can share. Okay, can I have 1 donut meal?
Next, please.
With fries?
We do this one if you want. It comes with salad with a meal.
No chips?
It does come with chips and grease.
Yes, please. Can I have 1 of those and
One spicy normal.
chicken?
One chicken, but we want spicy.
Yes, please.
Next, please.
And what you getting? Number 8, please.
That's fine. 10 please.
Call.
Sorry, cash only.
Cash only? Where's the cash machine?
On the right hand side, lowest price.
All right, no problem.
Shall I make it ready for you?
Yeah, man, please. All right, so we in West Brom today, and we're gonna check out the PFC. Is it? Perfect fried chicken. They say it's perfectly fried chicken. Not one water, I don't want cold water. No cold.
Really, bro?
What was it?
10.
Let me see if I got 50.
That's all right, yeah?
Oh.
Next, please. 2 number 10. Chili. Okay?
Yeah, y'all, to make a long story short, the food was banging. The spicy chicken kebab, crazy. You understand what I'm saying? The portion, enough. Yeah, man, I filled my belly down there. Had enough to come back home and eat a whole nother meal later. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there.
And you get fries with this. Oh man, this is too much. How it tastes? You want some? I do? I'm about to take some of this home. This is good. And they give you a lot of meat. Crazy meat. Look at that, it's a whole tray full of meat. They have to put the chicken on the side. Meat and salad, bro. Yeah, this is alright. $6.50, huh? This thing's so nice. I don't even think I need no sauce. You ain't get no sauce? No ketchup and that shit?
They're still good without sauce.
Yeah. If you don't need no sauce, you know the stuff is good. Made my sandwich. I still got a big plate of. But I'm gonna eat this. Save the chips and that for later. The ball is banging, man. You gotta taste it. It's banging, man.
That's nice, actually.
Banging. I'm giving PFC today. I'm gonna give them a 7.5. What you giving them? 7.8, 7.5. Y'all doing y'all thing, man. Y'all doing y'all thing.